Welcome to Mystic Island, New Jersey. Ah, wow.
How you doing?
Oh, I love your boat. Show us your boat later, all right?
Okay.
Love to see it. Now, Art's gonna take me fishing. We're gonna have fun fishing one day, right?
Sure.
All right, it sounds great. Art's gonna show us his boat. Awesome, Art. What a boat. Beautiful boat. What are we looking for? Crabs?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Dad.
Got the crab traps out there.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Art's pulling the crab traps up. Check out these crabs. Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice trap.
Back in.
That's it. Get some more. Nice. So what? Show us this boat. I love your boat. Go down. Get ahead. Go with that. Beautiful boat. Wow. Got that green one. So what's the name of the boat?
Silly me.
Silly Me. I love it. Silly Me. That's a great name. Nice. So beautiful. Mystic Island.
Green light. Traction fishing light.
That's for night fishing. Wow.
Yep, works good. I gather all around it.
I love your boat. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Got a place to sleep.
Yep.
And you fish from here.
Get out of the sun.
Captain Art. Love it. Great boat. And you can walk around too in front of the Love Art's boat. Amazing. Can't wait. Art's gonna take me out one day soon. We're gonna go fishing right on.
Yeah.
Yes.
What we catch?
It's gonna be fun.
I don't know. Sometimes they say Mystic Island. Sometimes they say Mystic Island. It's like, is it sauce or is it gravy? Who knows? Who cares?
Well, it's Mystic Island. The sign says it, so
Sign says
here it
Mystic Island,
is.
so.
Subscribe to Chris and Lucy.
Yeah. I love it.